What's up, folks? Welcome to this amazing tutorial. Let's make the most amazing shrimp ever. Start by marinating a pound of jumbo shrimp in my two favorite seasonings, spicy Dano's original and white pepper. You can get Dano's in the link in my bio on YouTube and on TikTok, where I have over 260 or 70,000 followers. Thank you guys so much. Add all of your seasonings and your flour in. I'm going to include all of the ingredients in the description. Please don't worry. We're using Perrier water because that's what I prefer, but any soda water will work, guys. Mix it in. This is an 8-ounce can. We're going to use just under the 8-ounce can, guys. That's how I tell. I like to get the 8-ounce cans. And you're just going to give it some whiskey business, as Joshua Wiseman says. Awesome chef Joshua Wiseman is. Definitely go and check the homie out. Oh my God, he's amazing. You're going to dip the shrimp right into some plain flour after letting it marinate. And just make sure that all of the shrimp is thoroughly coated like this. And just set it aside on like a sheet tray or something. It really doesn't matter. Then when you're ready to fry it, preheat that oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip it straight in that batter. Let a little drip off. And then go straight in that oil. I only do about 6 at a time because they're cooking the whole time while you're doing that. So I like to just drop 6, go wash my hands while they're cooking, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, I'll come back and they'll be good because with shrimp, they don't take that long to cook. You could tempt them, but 3 minutes at 350 and they're going to be absolutely amazing. They're guaranteed to be done all the way through. I made a homemade sweet and spicy chili sauce, which I'm going to release on my TikTok probably tomorrow. Maybe today, but probably tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and please subscribe and follow me for more content. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.